Welcome back. Now let's dive into how Melp makes communication effortless with powerful messaging features and smart tools that keep your projects moving and your team in sync. To start chatting, just head over to your contacts and click on any name. This opens up the chat window, your space for real-time conversations with teammates, clients, or collaborators. And here's where Melp really shines. We support real-time translation in 6 languages: English, German, Spanish, French, Portuguese, and Russian, with even more on the way. Just hit the translate button, pick your language, and bam! Messages get translated automatically. So whether your teammate is in Berlin or Buenos Aires, you can stay connected without the language barrier. Need to send files or screenshots quickly? Click the attachment icon, share images, PDFs, anything you need, in seconds. And don't worry about losing them. Every file and link is saved in the chat, right where you need it later. Looking for something specific in a long thread? Use the chat search. Type in a keyword and you'll get results instantly, no endless scrolling required. And when you need to share more than just a quick update, like a detailed report or a project breakdown, use the Write and Share feature. Click the icon, start typing in a clean editor, and when you're ready, send it straight into the chat as a formatted document. It's perfect for clarity without the clutter. Not in the mood to type? Maybe you're on the go? No problem, just record a voice message and drop it in. Or if you want to give feedback in a flash, hover over a message and react with an emoji. Sometimes that's all it takes to keep the flow going. And when the conversation needs a face or voice, Melp has you covered. Start an audio or video call instantly right from the chat window. No need to switch apps, no delays. You can even schedule a meeting and we'll take care of sending the invite and syncing with your calendar so you don't miss a thing. Want a little more context on who you're talking to? Just click their name or profile picture. You'll see key details like designation, department, and location, so you always know who you're collaborating with. Best of all, every single feature works exactly the same whether you're in a one-on-one chat, a group conversation, or discussing a team topic. That means a seamless, consistent experience, no matter how your team communicates. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep collaborating, keep building, and we'll see you in the next video.